Hey, what's up guys, this is Sandeep Sky, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 on Virtualbox. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, open your web browser and search for Windows 10 download. Now go to the official website from Microsoft, and if you are browsing from Windows device, then you will get option to update instead of downloading. So to download Windows 10 ISO, right click and click on inspect. Now click on this icon and change the device toolbar to any mobile device. For example, I'm going to choose iPhone, and if you hit refresh, you will see the option to download Windows 10 ISO. Now download the 64-bit version of Windows 10. Now once you have downloaded Windows 10 ISO file, open another tab and search for Virtualbox and download and install Virtualbox if you haven't already. Now open Virtualbox and click on this new icon to create a new virtual machine. Now give the virtual machine a name as Windows 10, and after that choose where you want to store the virtual machine, and after that choose the ISO image which we just downloaded, and make sure to check this option which says skip unintended installation. Now give at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 cores of CPU, and also make sure to enable EFI. Now click on next and then finish. Now select your virtual machine and click on settings. Now go to system tab and then processor and make sure to check this option. Now go to the display option and give the maximum video memory available. Now go to shared folders options and choose the directory where you want to share the files between your host operating system and your virtual machine. Now finally click on start to start the virtual machine. Also make sure to disconnect the internet in your host machine so that you won't be asked to connect to an online account during the Windows 10 installation. So finally we are in the Windows 10 installation screen. Now choose your language and then click on next. After that click on install now. Now choose I don't have a product key and then choose the edition of your Windows. You can just leave it on Windows 10 Pro. Here choose the custom option and you will see the virtual disk which we created earlier. So click on the disk and click on next. Now it will start installing Windows 10 and the virtual machine may reboot several times, so I'm going to fast forward this part. So finally we are in the setup screen of Windows 10. Now choose the language and the keyboard layout for your Windows 10 virtual machine, and I'm going to quickly complete this quick setup for Windows 10. So finally Windows 10 setup is completed. Now click on devices menu at the top of your virtual machine and click on insert guest edition add-ons, and then open the file manager in Windows 10 and install the Virtualbox guest add-ons to enable the file sharing between operating systems, and also enable clipboard sharing between host and the virtual machine. Now after rebooting the virtual machine, now you can share files between the host and the virtual machine and also the clipboard. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.